kule watoto wa Palestina na wakina mama wanapigwa mabombu na wale na serikali ya Israeli. Nikiwa hapa natoka kutoa ushauri kwa bwana Netanyahu, wacha kuua watoto wa Arabu wa Palestina kule Palestina. We must condemn in the strongest term possible the brutality with which the innocent children, the women of Palestine, are being brutalized. But the regime of Mr. Netanyahu, it is inhuman, it is primitive, it is brutal, and we condemn it. We condemn it the strongest term possible. Are you together? Unaunga mkono? Wangapi unaunga mkono? Nione mkono hapa. And I want to urge Mr. Ruto, don't be misled to condemn your own brothers and sisters. Mr. Ruto, don't be silent in face of humanity that is being meted against the people of Palestine. Kenya government must stand with the oppressed. Kenya government must stand with the people who are being brutalized.